Hey, Brian from Kutuspon Hall. Today we have this LED app-controlled sign, and you can basically put like in a window, on a wall, back of your SUV, back of your car. So let's open it up and see what we get. Okay, so right away it looks like you get a generous length of cord on here. So that's like really cool. It's got a little switch with it, and it has a car power port adapter that's included, or you can run it off a regular USB. So let's take this out and you can see how long this is. So that's pretty cool. And then also included in the box, you have a bunch of stickers that will go onto the back, so you can mount this wherever you need. And then this is the user manual, or the instructions. So this is your QR code to download the app. So let's do that. And we'll get this flipped around so I can plug it in. And depending on the orientation, and then like I said, it's got the on switch. So you can already see that it's got some graphics ready to go. Pretty cool. Alright, so as that goes through, let's download the app. Okay, so that's going to be the app, so we're going to go to Google Play. And then Spot LED, that's what the app is called, so we're going to install that. Okay, we're going to hit open. And then turn on, allow all this time. And then we are going to click to connect device. I'm going to hit allow. It's going to go to our Bluetooth settings. Then we're going to select successfully connected. We're going to hit pair. So it kind of like does it for you. So that's pretty neat. So let's go to graffiti. I guess we can kind of like make our own design or whatever on there. So we can play. And so you can kind of see my scribble on there. So very cool. We're going to go back out. And I guess there's a bunch of little things in here, so we can do like different graphics and stuff. Let's see if we can't get see if it'll do this picture. So that's pretty, so I just captured a picture and basically able to display it on there. That's pretty neat. So if you want to look at the, so that's pretty cool. Let's see what else this can do. Let's pick another picture, something pretty easy. Let's see if it'll capture me. So that's pretty neat. So that's a picture. Me wearing my headphones. Very cool. So basically any picture that you could take or design or you want to modify. So you can go with like a different color palette. Confirm. Then if you wanted to draw on there to fill that in. So you can see my scribble over my face. So yeah, this thing is really cool. And you can erase whatever. You kind of like depixelate it. So let's find another picture. I think that's the coolest part of this whole thing. Go through my phone. I have to picture my faucet. I was using it to fix a repair. Let's see how that looks. So yeah, it's kind of weird. But so that's part of my sink and my bottom of my faucet, if you can envision that. But yeah, that, I mean, that is really, really neat. And then let's take a live picture of something. Oh, let's take the picture of the back of my one laptop. So let's see how this picture will come out. Okay, just to kind of give you an idea. So yeah, that's my Star Wars graphic on the bottom of my laptop. So this thing is like really neat. You can do a lot of different pictures with this. You can make your own artwork, but it gets absolutely endless. And I'll give you kind of an idea of how I kind of like pixelated it off my phone. Let's see how close I can get. Anyway, that'll give you an idea of the design. But yeah, very cool. Very cool. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal with your programmable LED sign. Be safe out there.